Webull stock finally showing huge signs of a reversal. So let's quickly break this down. Our high on the day was 1163 and our low was 1115 right at pre-market. We did not really sell off all that much, but we kind of hovered around that area and then continued going up. But we are up 3.97% on the day, and there is no economical reports on Monday. But going into a technicals, we created a higher high. This was the previous day's high right here, and we actually went higher than that, indicating that confidence is higher than it was. And our lower low, this was our lowest point, which this was our lowest point pre-market hours, is also a lot higher. So those are two major good signs. Another one is that we went up and we rebroke the 4-hour EMA, and then we closed the day high without a pullback. That's saying that, hey, we don't want to sell at this price. We're actually trying to sell higher, which is another good signal. But this is also the first time this 4-hour EMA since the sell-off began. This is the first time we even touched it, let alone broke through it and hovered around this area. So what does all this mean? This doesn't mean that Monday we are going to continue going up. We could possibly go back down and re-break the 4-hour EMA. But what this does mean, since we broke, this was our last time when we sold off and pushed up, we lost confidence here and went lower. But now we went up and we went 1 penny higher, showing that we had more confidence than we had before, especially closing the weekend high like this. So that's good signal for sure. But so what this means, if we do pull back, we're probably not gonna pull back quite as low like as we did. Or most likely this was probably the bottom, or the 1052 over here. So most likely means we will not go as low, but when we push up, we are gonna have higher highs. So go higher and lower, higher lows. So they won't go as low. That's what that means. But for Monday, I want to see if we can push up to 12. If you are already in this, the overpriced zone for Monday would be 1190 and the oversold zone would be 1120. So I'll give another update on Monday, but make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys